Hello guys. So if you've tested your installation by typing Python on your command prompt and then it worked out fine for you, then you should be super excited, okay? Because right now we are going to be writing codes. I know that's what you're here for. Write codes, do some crazy things. Okay, we are going to do that. Okay, so in this video we are going to be working with the idle. Okay, that's the Python interpreter. It comes with the Python interpreter. We'll be writing our first program. I think we'll write hello world and then we'll move down to something else. Yeah, that's what we'll do. So let's have that in. So just move down to your search bar and search for idle. Okay, I already have idle fired up. So you also have that little guy here where you can, the shell, okay, where you can type commands and then get a response immediately. However, we are not going to use that, but let me just show you what I mean. We have 6 plus 5 and then we have 11, so we can type our commands here. We can do a whole lot of things there, and we'll be visiting this guy often to test some codes, but we are not going to use that today. So if you check here, you have file on the menu. You click on file, go to new file, and then you have a new window that looks like your notepad if you're on Windows, or your what's it called, whatever it is, but we call it notepad in Windows. Basically I'm using Windows. I'm not do I even know how to use Linux? I think I'm going to learn how to use Linux from tomorrow. Yes, I'll do that. Okay, so once we write our first program here, the first thing we have to do is to write our hello world program. Now, just a quick one, you mustn't use idle to write your program. Once you have Python installed, you can use any normal text editor like Notepad. I can write my program in Notepad, save it as a .py file, and then run it on my command prompt. Okay, but the reason we use IDEs, okay, integrated development environment, the reason we use them is they make our development process easy. How do they do that? They do that by basically bringing up some text highlighting scheme, auto completion, okay, and the rest of that. For instance, you can see the different color scheme I have here. For the print statement, I have it as pink. I think that should be pink or purple. Okay, but I know this is green, light green, I think so. So it's telling me that what I have here, it's actually a function. All functions in IDEs depends on how your configuration is. All functions in idle, I think they'll be given this color, while your string statements or your strings, anything within quotes, will be highlighted in green. Let me show you what I mean. I have another function that we call ABS. You can see the color we have on ABS. Okay, same color as that of print. Or let me have another one they call round, and that's going to be the same thing, but it's quite different from something like this. You can see that's not highlighted with the same color. So these guys are actually called functions. So these are first program, hello world. Now you need to have it within quotes. Okay, later on we'll see what that actually means. Now I can use double quotes, or I can go ahead and use single quotes. So I can remove this bad guy here and make that single quotes. Both of them are going to work. Now you can't run your program this way. All you need to do is to save it first. So I'm going to save this. Save or save as, this is the first time they are both going to work out fine. So I'll save it in a folder. I have a folder created on my desktop. I think I call that YouTube content, and I have Python fundamentals, videos. No, not videos. Okay, okay, I'll just save it here. So I'll call it hello.py. Now I don't need to add the py extension since I'm already using idle. If you were using Notepad, then you need to put .py. You have to explicitly state the extension. But since I'm using idle, I don't need to, because if you notice here, it's giving it to me that this is a Python file, or these are Python files. So for the fact that it's seeing it as Python files, automatically it's going to add the .py extension. We don't need to add that. Okay, so you save that, move back to your IDE, click on run, and then run model, or you can just use F5 to run that. Okay, so I'll click on that, and then I have my result here. You can see, since I have two print statements, I have two results printed out on the console. This is called the console, where you have your output. Okay, this shell we have here, we call it the console also. So I have hello world, that's for the first statement, hello world, that's for the second statement. And you can see, not minding the fact that I use double quotes here and I use single quotes here, both are actually giving me the same results. Okay, so that's it, guys, for this video. If you have any complaint or question to ask, you can go ahead and put it down in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.